My name is Christy Clark. I'm a biology major at Radford University with a concentration in breed health, and I have my sights set on being a veterinarian. This past summer, I traveled to the Peruvian Amazon rainforest, an amazing opportunity presented to me by Radford University and Tamadua expeditions. So, when I first applied for the rare trip, I looked at the different things available in the rainforest, and I was like, what is something that I'm really interested in? And I ran across the Amazon river turtles. So I started looking further into that. I started learning a little bit more about turtles, and then I realized that they're carriers for Salmonella, some subspecies of which humans can contract. So I started looking further into Salmonella, and that became more of the point of my project. Kind of took the focus off of the river turtles and more onto the microbiology side of things. The first obstacle of the project was learning to spot the turtles because they're very small when viewing them from all the way across the river. So it became kind of a game to see who could spot the turtles first. And we actually got quite good at it, and it was a lot of fun. Once we spotted the turtles, boat drivers would take us to the location of where the turtle was. Before you even get close to that location, the turtle would dive into the water. I would take an environmental swab and just swab the area of where the turtle was sitting, whether it be a log or a mud bank. I would label the swabs with the time of day, how many turtles were in that location, and then number the swab. So once I got back to the station, I would take the swabs and I would plate them on selective agar. Rapid Salmonella agar is the type that I used, and what that means is that different bacteria will turn different colors on the agar. So in this instance, Salmonella turns a magenta color. I would swab the plates and then label them and let them sit to incubate, typically around 36 hours. After that 36 hours, I would take pictures of it, and then I would hand count the Salmonella colonies. And then I would report that all down in a notebook, and then I still have statistical data to run. I was a little skeptical at first if I was actually going to be able to find Salmonella, so that first magenta colony was like, I was ecstatic. I was like, I found it, and I was like, I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but I got really excited. While being in this different environment, this different culture, and trying to crash course in field work when I had never done it before, having the professors there, Dr. Joy and Jay Caron, and then having the guides from Tamadua expeditions, Paul and Mosen and JJ, not to mention the support staff that we had, they really give you the kick in the butt you need to get your stuff together and get it done. They definitely make the jungle feel like home, and it's an amazing feeling, and it makes you want to go back.